Good morning from Puerto Rico. We are here in San Juan. The sun is shining very bright. Get my sunglasses. All right, much better. All right, we are here from we haven't got the okay to get off. I don't think. Nope, I don't see anybody. I think we're here from like 10 or 11, something like that, till 6 o'clock. But we have a good amount of time. Our friends are going to be staying on board, and we are going to explore whatever we find. We're just going to go explore. So we're going to see what we can come up with. Never know what we can come up with. We got ready today. Did a little bit more with myself than yesterday because we were supposed to get in the water, so you know why. But got the red lipstick on. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Good day. So we made it off the ship very fast. We took the stairs down. It was a little easier to be able to take the stairs down, so from the 11th to the 3rd. So if you're able to do that and not have to wait for a elevator, do that. So anyway, we are walking to Barrachina's first and having lunch. And then, or breakfast. I said brunch. Brunch, lunch. And then we will be, oh my God, I already smell food. And then we're gonna go explore. So we want to find a few places that we didn't see last time. And we are totally on our own. So we're gonna make this work. Well, we complained that it was cold in the Dominican Republic. And then it heated up towards like 3 or 4 in the afternoon. And we are paying for it now. We wanted heat, we got it. So, it's usually a little warmer as you get more south, so just think about that when you're thinking of packing and stuff. Bring a sweater, also bring tank tops and shorts. Beautiful. So what's interesting is that the appetizer person is not here. Not available. But that was okay because our food was plenty. So Letty got the triple mofongo, like the combination meat platter. Anyway, it was delicious. It looked delicious. I've had it, well, I think I tried it last time, but I didn't get it. Last time I got the pork chops. This time I got the grouper with shrimp with the Creole sauce and rice and beans. Oh my, I ate it all. It was so delicious. We are off to explore and see what trouble we can get into. Well, maybe not trouble. Maybe not trouble, but we're gonna go see what we can find. Maybe. maybe a little trouble. All right, so we just had a wonderful conversation with our friends here. And oh my gosh, so hilarious talking to them. They were, we were talking about the weenie waffle place and the guy shaking his head, and we just ended up having like a 10-minute conversation with our new friends. It's Renee and Ralphie. Oh my gosh, so funny. He's 85 and just spry and just great people. Can't wait to keep in touch with them. So, all right, so we came to this area and it's all closed. So through the month of January, it looks like they're having a light show. So they took the umbrellas down. They're doing light show in the evening time. Unfortunately, we have to get back on the ship on ship time. So we're not gonna be able to see it, which kind of sucks. I wish we were here like till midnight. So anyway, all right. We are going to go find an ice cream shop. That's all I'm going to say right now. So they're setting up for a festival. So it starts tomorrow, not today.
It's legal, yeah.
Oh, we are just decided we're just going to walk around and explore a little bit more. Kind of excited. Down here and go check this out and see if we can actually get down to the water. It's actually super beautiful. The sun's out, but it has a nice breeze. Oh my gosh, it's amazing today. Perfect. And with this wind, my hair's not gonna hold up, but do I care? Not a bit. Not a bit. It's beautiful, and I love the wind. Makes me remind me when I was back on my husband's motorcycle. Yes. Okay, it's been fun just walking around, exploring, just seeing everything that's here. I'm on a street, so it's a little loud. Since we're exploring on our own and not on a ship excursion, it's always good to make sure that you know if there's a time difference between the port you're in and the time your ship believes it's in. And so sometimes it kind of gets crazy when the ship says move your clocks forward and back and all that good stuff. But to be safe, I used to do this a long time ago when I first started cruising, and I had a smartwatch that would constantly change times on me depending on where I was. So if you take your phone out of airplane mode, you take your watch out of airplane mode, it's going to change to the local time if your cell phone service has that kind of connection. But I always bring an extra watch, which I used to do. Hadn't brought it in a little while because I actually gave it to my grandson on a cruise, and then yeah, I don't know what happened to it, but it's okay. So rebought it, same damn watch. I'll put it in the link below. I'll put a link in the description below, and it is just a waterproof, simple watch, digital watch. Has an alarm on it also, because we use that, my husband and I, several times. And we ended up, that was like our alarm clock in the room and stuff. But we were able to always know what ship time was, and I think that was the most important thing. My husband feeling comfortable, because sometimes I would go random and do my own thing all the time and not do cruise excursions or ship excursions and just do random things. And when that happened, he was always worried he'd never get back on time. But I always got him back on time. Anyway, all right, so we were just wandering here, checking it out. This festival is like throughout the whole town. They are seriously setting up everywhere. I think I've seen, this is my third stage that I've seen, and it's just been crazy. It's been busy.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond.
So we're taking this beautiful walk along the water. Sun, seeing like multiple iguanas. It's crazy. And then just the architecture and the serene, and it's just a beautiful day. I'm enjoying it. Just walking around, no, just very peaceful. no like rushing or anything. It was very rushed yesterday. Oh, I feel it's very peaceful. It's very nice. All right, so we are just about done. We've been shopping just a little bit here in Puerto Rico before we go back. We tried to go get the Mallorca bread and well, I told her to buy it and she didn't buy it. So it is what it is, you know. That just gives us an excuse to come back, which is my plan, because I'd love to take a cruise out of here, San Juan. So that'd be nice to be able to spend a few days on land, explore the island like a little, so there's not such a tight timeline, and then sail out. So thinking that would be really, really good. But anyway, we're almost done, I think, for the day. It's only like 3 o'clock ship time, but it's 4 o'clock San Juan time. And right? I got 2 watches going on. Okay. Yeah. Oh, they do have the lights that go on at 6:30 here, which is only 5:30 ship time. I don't know how to explain this all. Just make sure like you use a second watch so that way you know what time is ship time. You have to be back. Oh. So we're getting a little bit tired. I think we want to get something refreshing to drink, and Letty wanted to look for something else, but no Mallorca bread. Buy it first. That's all I have to say. Buy it first. All you have to do is when you are coming down, if you see this, the ship is going to be that way, but as soon as you get down there, you'll be able to see the ship. We just went almost in a big circle, so we were able to come out and saw the ship right away. So you can't get lost unless you really want to get lost. We're almost back to the ship, so we're going to go through security here pretty soon. It's been a good day. It's a nice breeze right here. And so it's kind of cooled down. It was like, it got a little warm and it got a little, you know, nice. So January, not a bad time to come. Of course, weather is its own thing, you know, you never know. Anyway, yeah, we're going to get back on this big, beautiful ship and go probably shower and rest for a little bit. So anyway. All right, well, that is our day in Puerto Rico. I have no idea what we're doing tonight. So, but I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I've filmed quite a bit. So, all right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe. Take care. Have a great day.